What is a lead magnet, and should you have some on your website? Well, it's not really rocket science. Let's talk about it. A lead magnet, which can sometimes be described as an evergreen, sometimes as a content upgrade, it's a thing that you're going to give away on your website in order to attract interest in somebody. And you can move them through your funnel, your marketing and sales funnel, by collecting an email address in trade for the thing that you want to give away. So the lead magnet might be an ebook, or the lead magnet might be a white paper, or a report, or a case study, or a special guide, or a video. There's all kinds of things and all kinds of ways to think about a lead magnet. It should solve a problem, your lead magnet, and it should be pulled from your diversity of products or the way that you think about doing business. The lead magnet should be valuable to your customer, it should have real valuable content, and it should come from the products or the services or the ideas that run your business. So if your company is about computer security, for instance, you might have a lead magnet that are 5 tips to keeping your data safe and backed up online. Now you can also create landing pages from things that are kind of parallel to what you do. So I read a great case study where a pest management company that dealt with like mice and rodents and things like that, they built a lead magnet that was about natural ways to deter and repel rodents and things like that from your house. So they aren't selling that natural stuff, but they're bringing awareness into how they do business and who they are by giving away something that is going to be valuable to people who are concerned about rodents and mice and things like that. So think about your lead magnet, as I say about a lot of content, in terms of how can you help your customers solve a problem or better understand a problem. Lead magnets are really powerful when they're connected to landing pages. I've got some other resources around here about landing pages that you might check out. And when you get that kind of 1-2 punch, you can move people from that more anonymous, or as I call them, clueless but curious people that are just reading blogs or watching videos or doing other kind of free stuff on your website. With a lead magnet, you can get them into a more attentive phase, and that's where they trade you some information so that they can get some information back that's going to be valuable to them. That's my download on lead magnets. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you next time.